By false friends, we mean French words that resemble familiar English words, but in reality mean something totally different. Watch out for these 10 false friends. Vigil is not vigil, it means watchman. Ballo is not ballot, it means idiots. Blesse is not to bless, it means to hurt or injure. Sortir is not to sort, it means to get out. Poisson is not poison, it means fish. Pressentir is not to present, it means to have a premonition. Librairie is not library, it means bookstore. Pain is not pain, it means bread. Gentil is not gentle, it means kind or nice. Ville is not villa, it means city. If this has been helpful, please like and subscribe.